Aquafina purification system is powered on running diagnostic, inserting the filtration membranes for particulate and contaminant removal, calibrating mineral adjustment components for optimal balance. Aquafina bottles and packaging are delivered for inspection. The bottles are checked for structural integrity on the line. Caps and labels are verified for hygiene compliance. We start by testing the raw water's mineral balance. Next, we check for chlorine and contaminants. All results confirm the water is safe for treatment. This ensures Aquafina's consistent quality. Aquafina raw water passes through sediment filtration systems to remove large particles and suspended solids. Aquafina water undergoes activated carbon filtration to reduce chlorine, odors, and organic impurities. This process ensures the water is clean and pure. Aquafina purification equipment is sanitized thoroughly to maintain just sterile production and scrubbed to remove any contaminants. A final rinse ensures the equipment is completely sterile. Aquafina pre-treated water is stabilized before entering advanced purification stages. This ensures optimal quality for the purification process. Aquafina water undergoes reverse osmosis to remove dissolved solids and microscopic impurities. This advanced process ensures every drop is pure and refreshing. Aquafina water is exposed to ultraviolet light, eliminating potential microorganisms. This advanced process ensures Aquafina delivers crisp, clean, and pure water. Aquafina water receives controlled ozonation to provide additional sterilization and maintain freshness. Ozone gas is precisely diffused into the water, eliminating the freshness of every Aquafina bottle.
We are testing the final composition for purity and clarity. The taste is perfectly consistent, clean, and crisp. The analysis is complete. Purity, clarity, and consistency are confirmed.
Aquafina purified water is transferred into sterile stainless steel holding tanks before filling. Aquafina bottles are sealed immediately with tamper-evident caps to preserve safety and freshness. Aquafina pallets are wrapped securely and stored in clean, climate-controlled warehouses. This ensures product quality and freshness from warehouse to consumer. Aquafina purified water is carefully processed. It's distributed to retailers and reaches consumers everywhere. Aquafina, pure refreshment you can trust.